Um, Now let's talk about some reports and some dashboards that you can use to visualize some data. Um, you can use, data visualizations to stay on top of your team's performance. You can more rapidly identify bottlenecks if you look at a colorful graph that'll tell you what tickets are stuck in what state. And you can at a glance see the day-to-day or performance over a certain period of any one of your agents. So demonstrate that. I do have a quick demo here. I all of the dashboarding that you see here is using out of the box JSM widgets. I haven't used any third-party apps here. We can see the total number of issues right now on our backlog. I mean, we can use one of these two-dimensional filters to see what priorities we have each request type for each request type. If we have any tickets that we personally want to keep an eye on, we can watch them by clicking on the little eyeball icon on each ticket, and we can have a list of our tickets that we find more pertinently available. I don't have any tickets assigned to me, thank goodness. So that's good. I have no work on my plate. We can even derive some insights. Like let's look at this average age chart for our IT support project. You can see that before April 28, our ticket age was getting a little out of control. The average ticket in our system was open and active for 25 days, over a month. So you can see after April 28th that our team really dug down and really started working tickets off, and working clearing through our clearing through our backlog. And you can see that we're getting better and better at closing out tickets and making sure they don't last too long in the backlog. Um, at a glance, you can see all the resolved issues from each one of your agents. So you can kind of just keep an overall view of who's doing what type of work. And we can see that there's 73 tickets in progress, and 9 of them are gated by the customer. So there's 73 tickets that we are actively working at this moment on this project. So yeah, dashboarding is very important. I know management loves to visualize data and stay on top of all the work that's going on.
And one thing too with dashboards I would like to mention is, we showed kind of like a management level one, but as an agent as well, even pretty much a lot of your members from your team from the agent level up can utilize those dashboards. As a former person who used to work on tickets directly out of JSM, I would have a dashboard and I've created dashboards to come in and just see how many tickets I have, where my tickets are. So that way when I sit down, I'm already kind of ready to get my day going rather than going through a few different filters or queues. So you can really utilize these dashboards to go from agent level on up to your team so that everybody can get the view that they need to see and the information personalized to what's important for them.